Ja, Amsterdam, ja.
Amsterdam, ja.
Ja.
Ja. Midnight Hong
Ja.
Do you think this is the blue, is it?
The boat is swaying a little because the captain is sleeping. Sleeping.
Wake up. Dude!
What? Red light district? Not now, I'm driving. Ship, oh shit, I forgot about the ship. People? What people? No problem, okay, no problem. For madam, why don't you eat salmon? Salmon is very nice. Ah shit, I dropped my camera. There we go. It's okay.
Don't eat salmon. Me, white fish.
Are you being a racist? Are you being a racist?
White fish.
You're being a racist.
No problem.
I report you to...
No problem.
Okay then, okay, I believe you. On your left, you see Amsterdam. And to your right, you see Amsterdam. And to your forward, you see Amsterdam. And behind you, you see a big ship. To my immediate right, retard. This accent thing is cool. Which one? Oh. Okay, I know. Why did you do that? I'm not. There's no water to drop them in. Yes. Oh, that looks pretty sick. It's getting windy and windier. Press play. You see that big, the white flashing now? Oh, okay then. I don't know. How about red light districts? Here they have a good color show. Red and more red and a bit of booby. And then a bit more red. You wanna go to the local cafe and get some books? What the hell? UFO, 10 o'clock. Actually, wait. Oh, 10:40. Oh shit. Ship going down. You know what to sing. You know what to sing. You don't know the lyrics. Do. The final 1, 2, 3, and now 12 points go to Sweden. Thank you, Eurovision. I'll probably just post that video. Red light district number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, number 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 8, only been 4 minutes. Okay. I think my video thing is an hour long. No wait, half an hour long. 4, 8, 12, 16, half an hour. so shiny. All you see is a white dot.
Yellow.
Meet Jesus' girlfriend.
That's
She's so happy. She also glow white.
yellow.
White.
Yellow.
Stop being racist, you Chinese shitter.
Stop being racist to fucking English shit.
Jibus.
Yellow.
Jibus.
Yellow.
Jibus.
Yellow.
Jibus.
Jose, you are a prick.
No, I'm not a prick. Hey, nuts. No, I'm not a prick. Bed goes up, bed goes down. 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 Bed goes up, bed goes up, bed goes up, bed goes up, bed goes down. Green light district. Well, that means we're green now. Because you know it was red light before. That's why we stopped quickly. But green we can go. Okay. Say bye bye to China now. Ciao. Buon appetito. Ciao. What, should we finish it here?
Yeah.
Alright, let's finish it here. Created by Charlie and Frankie. Ciao.